we use the rather old-fashioned manner of detecting damages, and we do ask all of our drivers before and after their ride to report anything that is outstanding or that they see. But you then trust your people, and we do, but there's a chance that you miss damages. So there's damages, as Tom just mentioned, that happen outside of rides, or that you don't immediately see. If there's anything underbody or there's anything related to a sensor, you might just miss it. So that was a problem we were facing, where we want to just provide our clients with the best and safest solution and with very safe vehicles. We found that sometimes you miss damages, which, as I explained before, can be, disadvantageous for various reasons. But also to just maintain the safety of our fleet, we wanted to make sure that we do our absolute best to provide safe and up-to-date cars. And with people, you miss. There's a delay, there is a risk of inaccuracy. So we were looking for technology to support that and to fill the gaps where humans naturally do. It's also one of those things that insurance companies very much encourage. Of course, they also want to maintain a healthy and safe fleet, as do, as I mentioned, our lease companies. And then that in line with wanting to just give our clients the most elevated experience possible, we wanted to make sure that we were doing everything so that our drivers feel proud. And as they feel proud, they are our ambassadors. Our product will sell itself, and we keep more cars off the streets. We very genuinely believe that car sharing is the way to go there to provide more natural space. If we can eliminate some parking spaces, give some room back to the pedestrians, all of those combined were reasons for us to look at another solution for detecting damages.